What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from the auction. And this is my first one I saw that I really liked. A good looking 2004 ES 330 that is actually not completely ass whipped. This is that kind of minty green color. I don't know what the professional Lexus name is for it, but it is definitely, I think, a garage kept car. Good looking paint. Got decent tires, you know, cheap ones, Solaras, Starfire. Oop, doors are locked. This is a trade-in back to Hennessy Lexus of Atlanta, and it has 145,000 miles, I think. So it's not like a super high mile unit. It does have, somebody has done some spray painting on this back bumper here. So yeah, it may have sat outside. I'm seeing some nicks in the paint and what looks like acorns damage, because we don't get hail very much here, but it looks like it's got some acorn damage across. I don't know if you guys can even see it or not, but it's apparent, you know, upon close inspection. It's a little dirty, but believe it or not, the seats are still intact. This will all clean up. You know, that's not torn, it's just very worn, but the wood and everything's in good shape. The AC's ice cold. The dash looks pretty good. Those airbag covers like to peel up on these. I mean, carpet's a little dirty, got a little trash in it, but you know, got a nice little tint on the windows. Everything's looking good. Let's pop the hood. Let's see if the timing belt's been done on it. If the Lexus store did it, they would put a sticker. Let's see. Oh yeah. Back last year at 114,000 miles. So about a year ago and 30,000 miles ago. So that's good. This thing's ready to drive. She runs good. She'll clean up good. Oh, I'm sorry, 152,000 miles. Got the power sunshade. Now this one does not have the heated seats, which I owned a 06 ES 330, and it didn't have heated seats either. And boy, I sure was disappointed in that. I was a little excited about how nice of the one I was buying at the time that I wasn't paying attention to some of the options it did not have. And power seats were not one. But, yeah, this is a nice driving car. Oh, yeah, windshield washer fluid. Give it to me. Yes. Glad to see the washer pump still working. Squirt the fluid. These things are very smooth and just, you know, good power. I mean, they're not fast at all. You know, I don't even know if this 3.3 V6 even makes 200 horse. It might. But it's just a smooth engine, you know, just, you can cruise 85, 90, no problem in one of these. But acceleration is just not, you know, anything remarkable. A little shaky on the track, sorry. I mean, she's got plenty of power, runs good. She gets up and goes pretty good. Radio does work. I'm just glad to see that, like, all the touch points and everything are really clean. Like these buttons here, our cruise control, all these buttons. There's another one someone's test driving. It's a Hennessy trade-in too, in black. But yeah, this is a sweet little car. What will it bring tomorrow? I'm gonna guess anywhere from 35 to 4,500 bucks. A nice one with relatively, reasonable miles. 152 for an 04. I mean, that's still very, very reasonable. And the fact that the timing belt has been done just last year at a reasonable mileage, about 40,000 miles ago. Yeah, this will be a nice commuter car for somebody, or a good car for somebody like me to put on our lot. These sell fast. And no warning light. Just a great first car. Can't beat them, man. Lexus ES 300. Let's see, this would be second or third gen. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.